Bye, motherfucker!
Got you on camera, motherfucker! You gotta use your mirrors when you switch lanes. You almost fucking killed me back there. Use your blinkers. Even when you use your blinkers, it's suggested that you want to get over. Doesn't mean I have to let you over. Watch your mirrors next time. Watch your fucking sides. Fucking lunatic. Goddamn motherfucker.
Fucking hell. Look! Not you, not you.
Fucking blind? Fucking blind?
He's blind, not me.
Pardon? Are you blind? You are so close. Yes? Fucking idiot.
Fatality.
¿Por qué te mandás hacia la avenida? Al medio te mandaste. ¿Querés entrar a la avenida? Quedate a la derecha. Yo vengo por el medio. Te mandaste adelante mío. ¿Querés verlo en la filmación? ¿Querés que te lo vea? ¿Querés que te lo muestre? Bueno, mirá, frená a 0, mirá y después te mandás. Sí. No, casi me mata nomás. Una boludez. Casi me mata nomás. Nada, cornudo. ¿Qué? Mirá el espejo, mirá el espejo.
Perdóname.
Listo. ¿Por qué me toca a vos ir entonces?
Really, nigga?
Tocame el culo entonces.
What the f, man? What the f? What the f you doing? You can't go around. It's one lane. Stop that shit.
retarded! What the fuck? What the fuck? Do you want to get back in your car?
No.
Do you want to get back in?
No, I don't.
Why the fuck are you jumping out of your car? I'm going like I'm supposed to.
You're going all over the road. Can you tell me why you're doing it?
Because I'm warming up my tyres. It doesn't matter what I'm doing.
It does, because you're not driving like you're supposed to be.
I can do what I want. I'm in my lane. I can do what I want.
You can't.
Yes, I fucking can.
You can't.
Yes, why am I supposed to stick to the side of the road?
Yes, you are.
Exactly, you're fucking stupid. What? Oh, fucking do something. Do something. I swear to touch me. Touch me. I swear to fucking God. Touch. Oh. You're gonna fucking regret this. Let go. Let fucking go. Let fucking go. Let fucking go. Don't fucking touch me. Touch me one more fucking time, you're gonna regret it. I'm gonna smash your fucking window. Get back in your fucking car. Fuck off. Fucking idiot. Touch me.
You're not supposed to swerve all over the road.
Fuck off.
No, you fuck off.
Get off. Don't fucking touch.